Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use BPI CLA Carnitine. First, understand that this supplement is designed to support your fitness goals by aiding in fat metabolism. It combines two powerful ingredients, CLA and L-carnitine, which work together to help your body utilize stored fat for energy. This can be a great addition to a balanced diet and consistent exercise routine. We'll cover how to take it effectively. For optimal results, the recommended dosage is usually 1 scoop per day. You should mix this with about 8 ounces of cold water to ensure it dissolves properly and tastes good. Many users find it beneficial to take their serving either before or after their workout. This timing can help maximize its effects on energy and fat utilization during your exercise session or recovery. Consistency is key for seeing benefits. To truly maximize the benefits of BPI CLA Carnitine, it's crucial to pair it with a healthy, balanced diet and a consistent exercise program. Remember, supplements are meant to complement your efforts, not replace them. Staying well hydrated throughout the day is also very important for overall health and nutrient absorption. Always listen to your body and adjust as needed for your personal fitness journey. Always adhere to the recommended daily dosage and never exceed it, as more is not always better and could lead to unwanted effects. Proper storage is also important. Keep your BPI CLA carnitine in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its potency. Remember to check the description below for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. It's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.